campus.
What the dog doing?
I'm with them, so... Ano ba gagawin natin? Magpapapirma kami ng ID kasi magpa-fourth year na kami. Tapos di ba kami nagpapapirma ng ID?
First year pa.
Yes! First year! Ngayon, ewan ko, tatalakan kami ng ID. Sagot kami niyan. Anyways, so, we're done na magpapirma ng ID namin. Alam mo, ba't tinalakan pa ako? Nakal pa ako kasi bakit ngayon lang na kami nagpapirma, ganyan-ganyan. So, wala, yun lang naman. Konting talak lang naman. Tapos napirma na kasi, girl, imagine, di ba? Yung pirma wala. So, talakan ka talaga. Anyways, we're done and we're not kung saan kami pupunta. Kasi yung dalawang kasama na yun, wala. So, yeah. Sama ko lang kayo later ulit.
What the dog doing?
Hi guys!
Stone. Some people just know what to say, philosophizing on a page at a cafe. Some people just know what to do, perpetual running, always chasing the view. Live it up.
Hi everyone! So, let's unbox my parcel for today because it's 7/7. Dumaan na naman ang 7/7. And all of my parcels are here. Actually, may order pa ako pero I can't wait to open this one. And let's first open this one. Sorry for my face because I'm so excited to open my parcel. Ito naman ang first item. Oh, the glass. Magpapalit na ako ng eyeglass. So, this is the first. Second one. I think this is the makeup. Ay, hindi naman makeup na makeup, pero balit na naman pag. Ano to? Para ako nag-open ng gift. I'm so happy. Ito yung sa detail. And ito ay yung hindi ko alam. And tara, it's tissue, guys. Wala. Gusto ko lang naman having tissue. And the last one is this one. Kailangan ko lang ma-open kasi pag tumating pa yung tatay ko, alam mo ba yun? Nakatalawi ko parcel, ganyan. Diba? Wait. Oh, guys, I know what's this one. So, i-build ko pa siya. Anyways, this is perfume organizer something. So, that's all for unboxing my parcels. Hi guys! So, this is the second day and let's open the two parcels that I got. I don't know if I have another one, but here is the second one. Nagulat na talaga ako sa nanay ko. But anyways, so this is the puncher because nandito ako sa tindahan, and you know what, yung puncher kasi na nandito sa tindahan is sira na. So I got a new one and I think magagamit ko naman siya kahit hindi sa tindahan, but yeah, it's the first one. And the next one would be this one. So dito na talaga ako. I don't know if I have another one. So this is the second one. So itong second one is the odorizer for the shoes. So you're just gonna pump this out and then, but yeah, bye.